I don't know why someone would try and hack my account. I mean, like, someone had hacked it, and now I don't have a RuneScape account. It's annoying. I hate people like that who hack people's accounts. Now I don't have a RuneScape account, and I was like level 120. Ugh. How would they freaking hack my account? God. Ugh. Ugh. Kill him. Oh my fucking god. Oh. Why the hell would they hack my freaking account? Oh! Why the fuck would they hack my fucking account? Why the